Now let's look at the plunger. The plunger is also known as a coffee bodum, a press pot, a French press, a cafetiere, or plunger. This is a simple coffee brewing device that ensures a perfectly delicious cup of coffee. This piece of equipment consists of a glass or plastic beaker, or it is entirely stainless steel. Then it is equipped with a lid and a plunger, with a fine wire or nylon mesh filter attached to it. The preparation and procedure for the coffee press is very simple. Let's have a look at the 6 steps. Step 1. Always try to use a coarser grind, especially compared to those used in the drip coffee machine, when brewing with a coffee press. The longer the brewing time, remember, the coarser the grind needs to be. The use of a coffee press is a very long brewing time, so we need a coarse grind. Step 2. Add roughly 8.5 grams of ground coffee per cup of water used. Add water that is very hot, but just off the boil. Pour the water in steadily. Make sure that you are saturating all the grounds by changing where the water falls. Remember, as with the filter machine, use a ratio of 60 grams of coffee to every 1 liter of water used. Proportion is so important. Step 3. Quickly stir the slurry, or the combination of water or coffee that you have just created. Stirring is optional, but it definitely aids in the complete extraction of flavors. Step 4. Once it has settled, add the plunger with the filter assembly and start counting. For a small pot, a 2 or 3 minute steep time would suit. For the larger model, stick with 4 or 5 minutes of steeping. Step 5. After you have steeped for the desired time, you are now ready to plunge down the filter. Grasp the handle firmly, get a solid grip on the plunger stick, and start by pressing down in an even, slow, controlled manner. Make sure you always keep the plunger rod absolutely straight. If it gets crooked, some of the grounds can escape into the upper portion, which is not what you want. Step 6. When pouring with a press pot, it's a good idea to hold onto the lid so that things don't slide around or accidentally pop out. What the filter would have done is separate the liquid from the grounds, ensuring that you have a wonderful fresh cup of coffee for your guests with no little bits of ground coffee in it. Good luck!